Hi, hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Joanne Michelle Gano.
What is your age?
I am 24 years old.
Which year were you born?
1990, ma'am.
Do you have a valid work permit and Hong Kong identity card?
None, ma'am.
Do you have a valid passport?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong, ma'am, so that I will help my family, especially in financial needs, ma'am.
What is your hometown?
Lamut Ifugao, ma'am.
What is your level of education?
College graduate, ma'am.
Are you married or single?
Single, ma'am.
Do you have children?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are they?
3 years old, ma'am.
How many people are in your family?
We are 8, ma'am.
Are your parents alive?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any debts here or in your home country?
None, ma'am.
How many years of experience do you have?
1 year, ma'am.
What do you enjoy most about the job?
Taking good care of babies, ma'am.
Do you have allergies for food, drugs, and detergents?
None, ma'am.
Are you afraid of pets?
No, ma'am.
How did you conflict with your previous employers?
I will talk to them, ma'am, and ask what's the problem.
Do you accept the day off but to be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
In your last place of employment, were both employers working?
Yes, ma'am.
Was your role primarily childcare or housework?
Both, ma'am.
How many hours each day did you work?
8 to 10 hours, ma'am.
Do you have a first aid certificate?
None, ma'am.
Are you willing to attend such a course?
Yes, ma'am.
If my child burns the hand on the iron, what would you do?
I will apply burn ointment, ma'am.
If my son was being very naughty when you were babysitting him, what would you do?
I will talk to him, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Which cuisines are you familiar with?
Filipino dishes, ma'am.
Can you speak Cantonese?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
What would you like to do in your spare time?
Reading books, ma'am.
Say your message to your employer.
Sir, ma'am, please hire me as your housemaid, and I promise that I will do my best to be a good housemaid in your family.
Please sing one nursery rhyme.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Boys and girls, come sing with me. Come and sing your ABC.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.